Hello everyone, my name is Teacher RC. I'm an online math and English teacher from the Philippines. I hold a bachelor's degree in civil engineering. I am a TESOL and TEFL certified. Throughout my academic journey, I developed strong communication and interpersonal skills which I believe are essential for creating a positive and engaging learning environment. I am enthusiastic and passionate about helping others learn English. I have a strong command of English as it is widely spoken in our country. I am confident in my ability to effectively communicate and engage with students of different backgrounds and proficiency. I am dedicated to creating a positive and inclusive learning environment where my students feel comfortable and motivated at all times. So, what are you waiting for? Join my class today and see a significant improvement in your English skills. See you in class!